The Southern Cross University Library provides access to databases so that students and staff members can find reliable academic information. Most databases host journals, which publish journal articles. However, you can also find ebooks, dissertations, videos, artworks, and more. Databases retrieve relevant results based on specific keywords and subject terms, and have settings which can help users narrow down results quicker than other search engines. Many databases are subject specific, which makes it easier to search within your field of research. These functions can make it easier to find more relevant resources compared to a search in our library catalogue, which will search across our entire collection and discipline materials. There are several ways that you can access databases through the Southern Cross University website. On the library homepage, you will see a search bar. To access the databases, you can use the link underneath the search bar. On this page, you can access the databases either in an A to Z list or by subject. The A to Z list is helpful if you know the exact name of the database that you require. However, you can also browse the databases within your subject. For example, we can click on Business. You can see that this link took us to a page that only shows databases that are relevant to the business discipline. The Best Bet section, which you can see in yellow, recommends the databases that are most likely to return the best results for this discipline. These lists differ depending on the different subject areas. Now to show some examples, let's click on EBSCO, which is the Business Source Complete, to try out some keywords. When you start your search, you'll notice that EBSCO provides 3 lines for you to add your search terms into. This is what we call an advanced search. You don't have to use all 3 lines, and if you need to, you can add another line by clicking this little plus button. Today I'm just going to search for project management in the first line. I am going to join these 2 words together using some quotation marks. This is called phrase searching. The quotation marks force the database to search for the phrase rather than searching for 2 separate words. On the next line, I'm going to add staff to complete my search phrase. If you'd like, you can also select a field so that it will search for that phrase within a certain field. However, today I'm not going to add those restrictions. I'm just going to click search to see our results. This search returned a large amount of results, so this is when we can start to use the filters on the left-hand side to refine the results. For this example, I'm going to choose peer-reviewed and also change the publication date to ensure that all my results are current. Using these 2 filters, we've reduced the amount of results to 59. Now I have a suitable number of results to read through and use for my research. Remember that the filters will vary depending on your own research needs or assessment requirements. It's also a good idea to remember that if you have selected a date range, you may also need to check your sorting. It may revert back to sorting by date, however, it's best to select to sort by relevance. EBSCO will often supply the full text. You can access this through the link that says PDF full text or by clicking on the title to see more information about your resource. You may also see this button that says Find It. This button will redirect you to the library collection and help you find a full text version of the resource that you require. I'm now going to redirect to the library homepage and go back to our A to Z list of databases. I'm also going to show you a couple of things in ProQuest. So I'm going to select P and then scroll down until I find the correct database. Now that we have ProQuest open, you can see that it starts off as a basic search. I am going to select Advanced Search today though. You can see that it starts us off with 2 rows for our keywords. I'm going to start my search the same as I did earlier with project management and staff. If we wanted to add more keywords, we could click this little plus and add a row. However, today I'm just going to leave it simple. One thing to remember about ProQuest is that we do want to change the fields that our keywords are searched in. So instead of searching anywhere, we need to select anywhere except full text. If you don't select these fields, then you may risk getting a huge amount of results in your results list. On this page, you also have the option to limit full text and peer-reviewed. There's also other filters such as source type, document type, and language. However, I'm just going to select search so we can see what we're working with. As you can see, again, we returned a huge amount of results. So let's use our filters on the left-hand side again to reduce our result return. For this example, I want peer-reviewed text only, and I want them to be from scholarly journals, and I also want them to be published within the last 5 years. So at this stage we still have 216 results, which is still quite high to read through them all. You might want to try some other filters such as subject, document type, language, or if you want to search through more filters. You may also need to start adjusting your search string. For example, I might want to refine my topic a bit more. So I can add and I'm going to add in the same field search that we have for the other keywords, and I'm going to add leadership. Adding that extra keyword has brought the results down to 33, and they all should be relevant to our researcher assignment due to all the filters that we added. You may also need to adjust the keywords to increase relevancy of results. To access your resource, you can click the full text links underneath the text here, or you can click the title to access the full bibliographic details of your resource. You'll find the same full text links on the left-hand side. Good luck with your database searching.